Good morning, students. Today we will study about concept of potential energy. Okay, so we will start potential energy concept from beginning. Concept of potential energy. First of all, we'll define potential. What is potential as such? What is the meaning of the word potential? Potential is nothing but a possibility or capacity for action. Possibility or capacity for action or work. This is potential, the capacity or possibility for action or any work. And what is potential energy? How we will define the potential energy? See, the potential energy is a stored energy. Okay, potential energy can be defined as stored energy by the virtue of the position or configuration of a body. Of the body. I'm repeating again. Potential energy is a stored energy by the virtue of position or configuration of a body or object. Now we will talk about electric potential. We can define electric potential in different means. Okay. First definition what we can give is potential is the ratio of work and charge. That is electric potential. Another definition which can be provided for the same is, we will expand the first one. It is the ratio of work done in bringing a charge in bracket test charge. Okay, let's say that is Q naught from infinity to any given point. Let that point be A. Okay, so it is ratio of work done in bringing a charge Q naught from infinity to any given point A and the charge. Now the work done will be, what we are doing is, that is against electric field without accelerating. This is about work done against electric field without accelerating. So it is the ratio of work done in bringing a charge Q naught from infinity to any given point A and the charge. Now how we can represent it? We can represent it as follows. Potential V at any given point A will be equal to the ratio of work done to bring a test charge from infinity to point A and the charge itself. Okay, so VA equal to W infinity to A upon Q naught. The unit of this is joule per coulomb. Work is in joule, charge in coulomb. With the help of above equation, we can write another definition of electric potential, that is work done in bringing unit test charge from infinity to any point, very importantly without any acceleration. without acceleration. Okay, how we got this new definition? We got this new definition if we are putting Q naught equal to plus 1 coulomb, unit test charge plus V1 coulomb, then the potential at any given point, let's say that is V A at point A, will be equal to W infinity A. Okay, when Q naught is plus 1 coulomb. This is as per the above equation. Understood? This is as per the above equation. In this equation I am putting Q naught as 1 coulomb. I will get V equal to W infinity A. So new definition came. Work done in bringing positive unit test charge from infinity to any point without any acceleration. Now we will derive certain formulas. We have a positive charge Q at any given point, and due to this Q we have electric field in surrounding. Now I am bringing a unit positive test charge Q or Q naught from infinity to any given point. When I am bringing this, I am working against the existing electric field. The existing electric field will apply a force, okay, and that force, what work I am doing, that force will be QE, okay, because of existing electric field E due to capital Q charge at point P, and I am working against this electric force. I am working against this electric force, and I brought this charge from infinity to at point P. So work done in that is work infinity to point P. Okay, now if somebody asks what is the potential at point P, so potential will be given as Vp equal to W infinity P upon Q naught. If Q naught is positive test charge, then I can write this as work done in bringing this charge, given charge, from infinity to point P is W infinity P upon plus 1 coulomb unit charge. So the potential will be equate to the work done in bringing that charge from infinity to any given point. We also can represent, now suppose I am bringing further this charge from P point to another given point R. Okay, now the work done in bringing this charge from P to R will be given as WPR. This will be equal to the integration from P to R, F external, the force applied by me, into the distance between these 2 points. Suppose that is dr. I also can write this external force will be equal and opposite in direction to the force by electric field, that is Fe. Okay, that is equal to QE. Okay, so Fe dot dr. Now E equal to QE equal to F cause of electric field. I can also mention E equal to Fe upon Q. Here Q is Q naught. See the diagram again. Okay, see the diagram again. So the E, if Q naught is a unit test charge, I can write E equal to Fe because Q naught is plus 1 coulomb. Now I am replacing this in above equation and continuing to find the work dr. That will be equal to minus integration from P point to R point E dr. I can, from this equation I can write the work done. If I want to find the work done from bringing this charge from infinity to any given point A, P, or any point I can define. It can be R also, or to the distance R from the capital Q charge. We will mention, let's say, our distance, this is R. Now I need to find out W infinity R, means bringing R or any point. Let's say give this point S, so infinity S, or we can also point out A. So we can consider, we can see the what we find out earlier and what we will gonna find now. So we need to find out W infinity A, the work done in bringing a unit positive charge Q naught from infinity to any given point A, which is R distance apart from capital Q charge. So the W infinity A will be given as minus integration infinity to R E dot dr. Now we know what is E. E can be written as KQ upon R square dot dr. Here the small q can be written as capital Q, because electric field is due to capital Q charge upon R square into dr. So by doing the integration we'll get K, and capital Q is constant here, minus 1 upon R limit infinity to R. So the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to A point, which is R distance apart from capital Q charge, will come to minus positive KQ, because this minus and this minus, it will give me positive, minus will remove, so both minus will give me positive KQ upon R, and this is nothing but potential. Why? Because Q naught is positive test charge plus 1 coulomb. So I got work done, or I got a formula for potential. I can define as V also. Okay, the potential V at any given point is KQ upon R. I also can write this as capital Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. This is a unique formula, and this formula will give us, with the help of this formula, we can find out potential at any given point in any existing field due to any charge capital Q. Okay, that point, if it is R distance apart, the potential, electric potential, will be given by this formula. Okay, we'll continue the discussion in next class further. Thank you.